Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Zendure SuperMini 5K power bank. This is a pretty small power bank that would power up your phone once or maybe twice depending on your phone's capacity. So let's start by first analyzing the box. So on the front side of the box we can see clearly the product image. We can see the Zendure logo quite big up at the top, the product name, we can see the capacity, the fact that it has a USB Type-C power delivery, which means that it can charge your phone quite fast. It's one of the best fast charging technologies. And we can see also some free benefits of the product, which is that it's in a lipstick size, so it's pretty compact. It has USB Type-C PD output, and it comes built with premium internal battery cells. So that's the front of the box. Let's see on the side. So here we have some things that we can expect to find in the box, which is the power bank itself, a USB charging cable, a warranty card, and a user manual. On this other side, it's just the product name. And here on the back side we have some more information. First off, we can see what types of devices this power bank is compatible with, and then some more features. Some of them are not listed on the front of the box, which is Zen Plus 2.0 adaptive charging, long-term standby, pass-through charging, which is pretty important if you want to charge your phone while charging the power bank in the same time, and auto on and off function. And here we have some more information about the features and specs of the product. So we can see different details such as capacity, type of the battery cell, dimensions, weight, input and output, expected product life. So they guarantee at least 500 full charge discharge cycles, operational temperatures, and a warranty which is up to 24 months. So that's the back side of the product. Now actually this is like a box that has a lid that can be opened, which clamps up magnetically, and if we open the lid we can actually see the product inside without opening the box. And if I press the power button, you can already see that it has two lights blinking on, and next to it we can see product photo and then some text there: Zendure SuperMini 5K carryless, enjoy more. And then here at the bottom some more features such as like compact and tiny. Again, it has two USB ports and it can deliver up to 18 watts of power using power delivery. So that's basically what we can see on the box. Let's have a look at the product inside. So this is the whole content of the box. So we can start with a small user manual that explains how the product works. Then we have some stickers that you can use to put on your laptop or wherever you would like to. Oh, there's actually quite a few of them. And I think this is the warranty card. And here we have the power bank itself. If I pull on this, it should come out. Let's put it aside for now. And underneath is the charging cable. So this is a charging cable that has two different sockets. So we have a USB Type-A and a USB Type-C. And now let's have a closer look at the power bank itself. So my first opinion holding this power bank in my hand is that it's very sleek, very light and compact. It's actually the smallest power bank I've ever held. However, it's also a power bank with quite small capacity of only 5000 milliamp hours. But the initial impression is that this is definitely a highly compact power bank, and it's a light one as well, and it also looks quite fancy. So I really enjoy the design. It looks very sleek and luxurious. And looking at the front side of it, you can see that it has the power button here, and as you can see before opening the box, there are 2 lights lighting up out of a total of 4 different lights. That means that this power bank came with about 50% of capacity out of the box. And that's it from the front side. There are only these ridges that are only for design purposes here. On the side we can see some details about the power bank. You can also see some of my fingerprints, so it means that this is a power bank that is a little bit fingerprint prone. So if you are conscious about it, maybe this is not the best choice for you. And here we can see the USB ports. So we can see the USB type A port, which comes with Zen Plus 2.0 charging technology, which is like a charging technology developed by Zendure. And then the USB type C port, which is a PD power delivery port that can provide up to 18 watts of power. So that is very good for fast charging your phone. You can use it basically on any type of device that is PD compatible. Looking on the other sides, basically there is nothing else. This is the back side. So that's all to this power bank. So that's everything to it. So again, this is a very small, ultra compact, ultra portable power bank. It's something you can easily carry in your pants pocket alongside your phone or maybe your wallet. However, you shouldn't expect to get too much out of it in terms of charge. So I would say somewhere between 1 or 1.5 times of a regular smartphone charge. So that means it's ideal for day-to-day use if you're doing like a commute, going to school or going to your job on the bus or on the metro, and you're watching videos or playing some games and you need just a little bit of extra push to get you through the day. That type of scenario is perfect for this type of power bank. However, if you go camping or something like that and you need to rely on it for several days at a time, that's definitely not the best choice. However, I think that in terms of power banks at a similar capacity, I think this is one of the top products that you should consider purchasing. So yeah, this was the unboxing of the Zendure 5000 mAh power bank. Thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and see you in one of my future videos. Bye bye.